Good morning, all.
Morning, sir.
What about your friends? Only 5 members were joined.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nandini.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, right. So as you know, you are going to write semester exams in the next month. Do you know this?
Yes, sir.
Do you know the timetable?
No,
Timetable
yes.
is 9th of August. Your exams will start on 9th of August. Okay. So coming to our syllabus. So I have finished all the topics. So we revised. So coming to question paper, you are going to write for 60 marks. This time, 60 marks. Part A, Part B, and Part C. So I will give you full details of question paper in the next session. In Part A, 12 questions. 15 questions. You have to write 12 questions.
Yes.
Part B, 9 questions. You have to write 6 questions. No internal choice. You can choose any 6. So in the third semester, internal choice are there, but here no internal choice. You have to choose any 6. Same in part C also. 9 questions you have to write 6 questions. Okay. So I will give you the pattern of question paper in the next session. So today we start revising our syllabus. Okay. Any doubt
Okay,
so
sir.
far? Okay. So we begin from first chapter. What is the first chapter?
The boy who broke
The boy who broke
the
the.
boy who bank.
Okay.
Bank.
What about the story? Anyone?
Sir, speeding spread, sir. The
How a rumor spreads. Okay. How a rumor spreads. So here, as you know, panic and pandemic.
Sir, join Rishika, sir. She's waiting.
Yes. Okay, right. So as you know, panic and pandemic. We are in pandemic. What is a pandemic? Corona, COVID.
Yeah.
Okay, that is a pandemic. And panic means nowadays panic is greater than the pandemic.
Yes, sir.
In second wave also many people were died because of panic, not the pandemic.
Yes.
Okay, like here in our story also, what is a panic? The bank is going to collapse.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That is the panic that leads to the what is the collapse of the bank. Okay, the story one, how rumor spreads like a wildfire, and second, panic is greater than the incident. Next one also, what is child labor? Who is the main character in the story?
Natu.
Natu.
Nathu is the main character. So who is Nathu here? What is Nathu?
Natu is a sweeper boy.
A sweeper boy. Nathu is a sweeper boy. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
child labor. He was underpaid. Okay, not paid regular salary, and also no pay hike, no increment are here. Two topics.
Sir,
One,
Rishika and Sandhya still waiting, sir.
so no one is there in waiting list.
No. Okay, sir.
Maybe some technical problem our side. Okay, right. So the boy who broke the bank, it is written by, who is the author?
Ruskin Bond.
Ruskin Bond,
Writer.
a writer. He wrote many stories and novels on children. Okay, coming to a story, the boy who broke the bank. Here 3 points are important, 3 topics. One is child labor and also underpaid child labor. Child labor is one thing and underpaid child labor. The main character, Nathu. Okay, yes, Ramyasri and Sandhya centered.
స్నానం చేస్తుంది.
Some noise, some background noise. Sandhya, Kalyani.
సార్
Unmute some background noise. Okay, right. So 3 topics. One is child labor, that is also underpaid child labor. That is the condition of Nathu. Next one is how rumors spread like a wildfire. That is, and third theme is panic. How panic? What is the panic here? Bank is going to collapse because of rumors. The panic spreads in the town, people Nagar. Okay, so coming to our story is Nathu. He's a sweeper boy. Okay, what happened to Nathu?
He didn't get his regular salary.
Okay, he didn't get his regular salary. So on the morning, he was sleeping in the bank where he works in People Nagar Bank. People Nagar Bank. He was working. In the morning, he was sleeping. Then he was very
Yes, sir.
unhappy because he was not paid the salary of that previous month. The day is 20th of the month, but he didn't get the salary. And another one is he didn't get increment also. Increment means pay hike, no pay hike. Like that's why he was very unhappy. Then what happened? Who is his friend? Sitaram. Sitaram is his friend. He's what is a delivery boy? Delivery, what he delivers? Delivers clothes. Washerman. Yes, washerman's son. He delivers clothes. He's a washerman's son. Then Nathu told to Sitaram, what he told? I didn't get my salary. Today is 20th. So I don't want to work next month. Next month onward, I don't work. I don't want to work in this bank. I will leave. So then Sitaram promised, I will show you a job. I will search a job for you. Then Sitaram said. Then Sitaram, as you know, Sitaram is a delivery boy. He delivers clothes. So many customers. Sitaram informed to Mrs. Srivastava, a customer. Then he told about the status of Nathu. I have one friend, so he's working in a bank. So he didn't get his regular salary. He want to leave the bank. So is there any vacancy from you? He asked from your home. Then she is also waiting for Super boys. So she told Sitaram, so call Sitaram tomorrow, like that. That is a, what is a news? Okay.
Yes.
How it spreads like next Sitaram or Mr. Srivastava went to shopping.
Yes, sir.
Shopping. She likes shopping very much. So she went to shopping. It was summer. So then she met her friend, Mrs. Bhushan.
Bhushan.
Note on the character. This is the fourth character. Okay, first one now. Sitaram. Next, Sitaram. The news. After Sitaram to Mrs. Srivastava.
Mrs. Srivastava.
Srivastava to Mrs. Bhushan. So she met her friend Mrs. Bhushan under a tamarind tree. It was, what is that? It was summer, very hot. Okay, she was fanning with handkerchief. Okay, very summer. Then they talked on different topics about their shopping, about the clothes, what they want to buy, like that. Then the topic changed to this one. Then Srivastava said, what he said, the bank is not getting salaries to all the employees. Okay. How the news changed from one person to one person. Okay, Sitaram said, Nathu was not getting his salary.
Yes, sir.
Sitaram said to Srivastava. Then Srivastava said to Bhushan, all the employees are not getting salary. That is to Mr. Bhushan. Next, Mr. Bhushan is next searching for her husband, Mr. Bhushan. Okay. Next, Mr. Bhushan is waiting at Kamal Kishore Photoshop, as you know, Kamal Kishore Photoshop. Then she said, what happened in People Bank, like that. She said. Then Kamal Kishore asked, what happened? Then she said, this bank is not paying salary. It has no money, like that. So it changed. She asked Mr. Bhushan, do you have any account in the bank? So Kamal Kishore said, no, I don't have any account. But my neighbor, who is a Kamal Kishore's neighbor, is a barber shop.
Yes, sir.
Who is the barber? Deep Chand.
The
Deep Chand. Deep Chand. So he said to Deep Chand, do you have the bank is going to collapse. Okay. Kamal Kishore said to Deep Chand, bank is going to collapse. No, go and withdraw money from the bank. He said. Then Deep Chand was, what is it? He's sharing to elder person. Okay. He has bank account. So he became panic. While listening that is what happened. Deep Chand cut the ear of customer, elder person. He was distressed and also panic. Distress because pain. Panic because he has account in the bank. So bank is going to collapse. So he ran to across the road. He ran to general merchant shop because there is a telephone is there. Okay, there is a telephone. So you want to confirm whether the bank is going to collapse. So you make a call to bank manager, bank owner. Who is the bank owner? Seth Govindaram.
yes.
You have to know all the names. Okay, one more question may ask. Seth Govindaram. You make a call to Seth Govindaram. So to know about the status. What happened at that time? Seth Govindaram is not there at home. Okay, so the person who lifted the phone said he is not here. He is holidaying in Kashmir. Like, so then what happened? The elder person believes the bank is going to collapse. Then he returned back to barber shop and informed the bird is flown. Okay, the bird has flown. Airplane. Who is the bird here? According to the
Seth Govindaram.
Seth Govindaram has flown, he said. Then the news spread in the bazaar. Okay, within minutes, what happened? All the people rushed to the bank. Okay, because they want to withdraw their money from the bank. Okay, what happened? within few minutes, all the cash was running away. The bank manager tried to placate them, okay, please them, but the customers didn't listen. We want money now, they said. The bank manager said, I will give you your money, what is it, tomorrow. Okay, the bank has a lot of money, plenty of money. Don't worry about that. The bank is not going to collapse. So come tomorrow and collect money, withdraw money. He said. Bank manager said. What happened? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, right. Bank manager tried to placate them. Okay, no problem, no worry. The bank has a lot of money, plenty of money, but present money is running out. But we are emergency fund in the next bank, but that is 30 miles away, so it takes time. Please wait. Tomorrow you come to bank and collect money. But what happened? No customer listen. Here, Abdul, that is a panic. Okay, that is a panic. The bank is going to collapse. So in the group, in the mob, what happened? The persons who don't have money also join in the mob. Okay, then they demand now. So give me our money now. Otherwise, we will break the bank. That is what happened. And some person throws stones to the bank. And that become a mob frenzy. Okay, within fraction of minutes, they broke the bank. Okay, that is the story. And the next morning, what happened? Nath was again come to his duty. What is his duty? To sweep the bank. To sweep the bank. What happened? Today the work was very heavy because of heart attack, glasses. Then he was unhappy.
Yes.
I even get my salary, but the work is very heavy. Then Sitaram again, delivery boy comes and he informs the bank is going to collapse and don't worry about you. I have seen a job to you. Okay, a job is there. You can join in the next month. There. Then he said. Then he asked what happened to the bank. And the bank is going to collapse, like Sitaram said. Then next, Nathu, the supervisor decided, I will collect my money today. So is sit on the steps of the bank. Okay, I don't leave. I will wait for the manager and I will collect my salary. That is my aim, determination. You sit on the bank. So this is the summary of the story. How the news spread like a wildfire. Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So let us see.
oh,
Rumors spreads fastest, as you know, and they result in irreparable damage quite often, though it is not intended. Read this interesting piece from a children's friend, Ruskin Bond, to find how innocent boys' efforts to secure a better job take unexpected turns. Okay. So Ruskin Bond, better perceived as Indian Wordsworth, was born in the Punjab province 19th May 1934. Okay, born at Punjab. Province means state. So in British India, Punjab province. He is fond of writing about for children. His first novel, The Room on the Roof, written when Bond was just 17, the age of an intermediate student. So he wrote his first novel at the age of 17, The Room on the Roof.
17.
Okay. Won for him the Llewellyn Rice Prize. He also received Sahitya Academy Award in Padma Shri. So Sahitya Academy Award, that is the greatest award for writing in India. Okay. Sahitya Academy Award, greatest award for writing. So, but above all, he continues to win the hearts of the readers. Okay, this is basically known as child author, children writer. He wrote many stories and novels. Now coming to our story, the gripping story The boy who broke the bank deals with the plight of the underpaid or unpaid boys. Okay. What about the story? The plight means, what is the plight? Difficult condition, difficult situation. The plight of underpaid or unpaid boys. Okay, child labor, even though underpaid. They struggle to get better employment, turns dramatically the lands the bank in trouble. So here, who is our main character, tries to seek better job. So you want to leave the bank. That is his intention. Because bank is not paying enough money. It's regular salary. So you want to leave the bank. That efforts, what happened? That collapse the bank. So the banks lands in trouble. Exploitation, innocence of children, role of rumors, anxiety, mob psychology, etc. Find effective expression. Okay. So is the exploitation. Who exploit here? Who was exploited or who is exploiting? Here, not the main character was exploited by the bank because he didn't get
No.
regular pay. Some background noise. Who is there? Nandini, Rishika,
Yes, sir.
background noise from your side. Mute yourself. Right. Exploitation. So a bank exploits the boy, or the boy exploited by the bank because he didn't get his regular salary. So forget about hike. What is a hike or increment? He didn't get his regular salary. That is, and innocence of children. Here, what is innocence? You want to leave the bank. So how? That is role of rumors. How the rumors spread from, what is that, from Sitaram to where the elder person, Deep Chand shop, total town, how the rumor spreads. Anxiety, mob psychology. This is also important. Mob psychology. So a mob gathered at the bank. That is also mob psychology. Even the person who don't have account in the bank also join in the group. That is mob psychology. Find effective expression in the story. Okay. Nathu is the sweeper boy at the People Nagar Bank. Okay, it may be in Punjab. People Nagar Bank. Nathu is the main character. His request for a pay hike has not been considered. Okay. What is the request? To increase my pay. He requests the bank manager or bank owner. That is his request. His request for pay hike to increase my salary. Like that is his request. That has not been considered. Even his regular salary has not been paid till the 20th of the month. This is also important. Forget about pay hike. Second one is he didn't get his regular salary also on time. Okay. So for example, employees generally get salary in the first week or on the first. But coming to here, this boy, he didn't get his regular salary 20th of the month. That is another. Next, in desperation, he was very unhappy because his salary was not given on time and also a meager salary. Okay, his requests were not considered. Requests for paying salary, increasing salary. In desperation, in very unhappy, Nathu says he would leave the job. Okay, Nathu says to Sitaram. Sitaram is his best friend, Nathu's best friend. So he told to Sitaram, so I won't work in the bank. Okay, after getting my salary, I will leave the bank. That is his remark. Whose remark? Nathu's remark. I will leave the bank. So this remark, how it spreads and causes the, what is the collapse of the bank. This innocent remark. voice. Nathu says he will leave the job. Sitaram, son of the washerman, promises to help him. So Sitaram said, don't worry, Nathu, I will help you. Okay, I will search jobs because he has many customers. Sitaram has many customers. He is the washerman's boy. Every day he visits many houses and he collects and hand over clothes. Like, so don't worry, I will search you a job. And then Sitaram informs Mr. Srivastava, okay, who is in need of a sweeper, that his friend is ready to work for her as the bank has not paid the salary so far. Yeah, this is important. So on the round, Sitaram went to Mr. Srivastava's house. Mr. Srivastava is a customer. Then Srivastava is also searching for a sweeper. Then Nathu, what is it? Sitaram told about Nathu. So I have one friend is Nathu. Now he is working in bank. So he is not getting his salary. So you want to leave the bank. Do you have any vacancy? Like he asked. So Mr. Srivastava agrees. Okay, meet him on the tomorrow. Like that.
Sir,
Any doubt?
sir, Kalyani is in waiting room with him, sir.
Okay, right. Next, Sitaram informs to Mr. Srivastava, who is in need of a sweeper, that his friend Nathu is ready to work for her as the bank has not paid the salary so far. Here, this is important. Okay, what Sitaram informed to Mr. Srivastava. Sitaram said, my friend want to leave the bank because he is not getting his regular salary, regular pay. That is okay. How it spreads. Next, Mr. Srivastava tells her friend Mr. Bhushan that the bank hasn't been paying salaries to all its employees. Here, how the news changes from Sitaram to Srivastava and Srivastava to Mr. Bhushan. Mr. Bhushan is our friend. Okay. In bank, in shopping bazaar. Okay. In bazaar. Then Srivastava, how she tells her friend Mr. Bhushan that the bank hasn't been paying salaries to his employees. Okay. So Sitaram said only Nathu was not getting salary. But what Srivastava said, all the employees in the bank are not getting their salary. How it twists the news. Next. Mr. Bhushan adds her own share of color to the news and tells her husband. So say Mr. Bhushan also said to her husband. Who is her husband? Mr. Bhushan.
Mr. Bhushan.
Who is sitting in front of the Kamal Kishore shop. Okay. Kamal Kishore is a photo shop owner. Photographic shop owner. So before his shop, Mr. Bhushan sits. Then how news spread from Kamal Kishore to who is next? Deep Chand. Deep Chand is neighboring shop. Okay. And then Mr. Bhushan asked Kamal Kishore, do you have account in the bank? Okay. So Kamal Kishore said, I don't have account. So I am very happy. I don't have any account in the bank. Then Kamal Kishore informed to neighboring shop, Deep Chand. Deep Chand, the bank is going to collapse like that. Okay, go and bring money. Go and withdraw your money. Kamal Kishore. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
The screen is visible to you?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, right. So informed. Next, Kamal Kishore informed to Deep Chand. Deep Chand is the barber. So Deep Chand, go and get your money because the bank is going to collapse. So at that time, what happened? Deep Chand is sharing to elder person. In the shock of the news, what happened? He cut the ear of the customer. So the customer was distressed and panic. Two, distressed because his ear was cut. Yes, panic because he has account in the bank. He has a lot of money. He may be a lot of money. That is panic. So what happened? Half shaven, the customer ran across the road. So to verify whether this news is correct or not. So he went to general merchant shop. So he make a call to bank manager. Who is the bank manager? Bank owner, not bank manager, bank owner. Seth Govindaram. Okay. Next.
Yes, sir.
So, but at the time, Govindar is not at home. He is in Kashmir. The person who answered the phone call said Govindaram is holidaying in Kashmir. Then this person decides the bank is going to collapse. Like, so he informed to Egyptian, and within minutes the news spreads. Okay. Next. Error view. So next, the bank has not been paying salaries to its employees. Next, the rumor spreads like wildfire. Here, the rumor spreads like a wildfire. The owner of the bank, Seth Govindaram, is away holidaying. It is not available to dispel the rumors. Dispel means to draw out the rumors. He is not there. That is also one reason. Okay, if he is there, no problem. Rumor was stopped there, but he was not there at the time. So this strengthen the doubts of the customers. So if the bank owner is in his house, no problem. It was stopped. So I give full clarity about money and all these things, but it was not there. So the customers have doubts. They rush to bank to withdraw their money. So all the people who have account in the bank rush to the branch to withdraw their money when turned away by the manager. So what happened? Within minutes, the cash was running away. As you know, you are also, what is that? You know, some ideas about bank in CCP studies. Okay, that is a bank.
Yes.
Okay, there are two customers are there. So some people deposit money and some people take loans.
With-
Okay,
Yes, sir.
all the money is not at the bank always.
Yes, sir.
The money, the what is that? The liquid cash is running away. No money to pay. But emergency fund is there. But that is in the bank, in the branch. That is 30 miles away from the people nagar. So it is time to take money from that bank. So he said to customers, please come tomorrow and collect money. The bank has plenty of money. Don't worry about bank. It has plenty of money. That is. But what happened? The customers didn't listen. Okay, they became agitated and vandalized the bank. Vandalize means destroy the bank. Here, mob psychology is important. What is the theme here? Mob psychology. Panic that adds mob psychology. A mob gathered. In the mob, a person who don't have money, who don't have account in the bank also joined the mob. So, like they provoked the other customers. They provoked okay, they provoked the other customers. Like give our money or we will break the bank, like that. They demand. Now, they demanded. Give our money now. The bank went tried to placate them, but the customers and the mob didn't listen. What happened? They destroyed the bank. That is.
Bank.
So the bank was collapsed completely. That destroyed. The following morning, the next morning, while Nathu sees the scattered glass of pieces. So next morning, Nathu come to his regular duty to sweep the bank. Then what is that? Scattered glass pieces.
Glass pieces.
Okay. Are there today? How he feels not getting my salary, but the work is increasing. What happened to the bank? Like that. Okay. Today the work is increasing because of the scattered up glass pieces. So he wonders what had led to the collapse of the bank. So he wondered what happened to the bank. So I never imagined like that. The bank is going to collapse. So he wondered. Little does he know that the innocent remark, innocuous or innocent. Innocuous means innocent. Innocent remark made the previous day had triggered the chain reaction. What is the innocent remark? One remark he made
That's
last day. I'm not getting my regular pay. I will leave the bank.
Bank.
That is his remark. Innocent remark. I'm not getting my regular salary. I'm leaving the bank next week. That is remark. So he told you from Sitaram, then passed to Sitaram to Mrs. Srivastava, Srivastava to Mrs. Bhushan, Mr. Bhushan to Mr. Bhushan, Mr. Bhushan to Kamal Kishore, Kamal Kishore to Deep Chand, from the elder person, then to what is that? General merchant shop, then again entire street, then entire town. Even also one character is there. Who is that?
Beggar.
Ah, beggar.
Beggar is the same person. Okay. Physically handicapped. What is his name?
Yes, sir.
What is his name? Old Ganapat.
Mm.
So he's a lame person. He is unable to
Old
walk.
Ganapat.
That is, he's a beggar. Even beggar is also running like, because to collect to withdraw money from the bank. Because he has account. That is also interesting. Okay. He has account in the bank.
Yes, sir.
The people in the town never see he's running. Okay. But today,
Mm.
what is his regular duty? In wheelchair. So some of his family member, what is that? What is that? Some of his family member. Okay. Always pickups and get-ups. This old Ganapat from his daily begging place. But this day, what happened is running like a tiger. Okay, to collect money from the bank because he has account. He has a lot of money in the bank. That is also interesting. Okay, so at last, what happened? All the customers gathered bank and they demanded for withdraw money, but no sufficient money in the bank. So that leads to collapse of the bank. Okay, they broke the bank.
Right.
Okay, that is the boy who broke the bank. Here, really, the boy broke the bank,
No.
but boy's innocent
No.
remark. Boy's remark. What is
No.
that? I will leave the bank. That is only his remark. You want to leave the bank. That is the news spreads like a wildfire and completely that broke the bank. The rumors broke the bank. That is the story. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir.
Like so, note down all the characters.
Yes, sir.
So in the next
Okay,
session,
sir.
we focus on another chapter.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See you in the next session. So before that, complete your assignments.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
You cannot start writing your
Yes,
assignment today. The boy who broke the bank. You have to finish all the assignments in the lesson. Everyone.